Humanda sa pagsasanay sa paghawak ng sandata. Kanang balikat, ta. Kaliwang balikat, ta. Agap, ta. Baba, ta. Siyasat, ta. Agap, ta. Baba, ta. Tanghal, ta. Baba, ta. Tikas, nga. Paluwag.
Marato. GO number 1. To take charge of this post and all of government properties in view. GO number 2. To walk my post in a military manner, keeping always on alert in observing everything that take place within sight or hearing. GO number 3. To report all violation of orders I am instructed to enforce. GO number 4. To repeat all calls more distance from the guardhouse than my own. GO number 5. To keep my post only when proper relief. GO number 6. To receive, obey, and pass to the sentinel who relieves me all orders from the commanding officer today, and non-commissioned officer of the guardhouse. GO number 7. To talk to no one except in line of duty. GO number 8. To give alarm in any case of fire or disorder. GO number 9. To call of the commander of reliefs in case not covered by the instruction. GO number 10. To salute officers, colors, understand not case.